Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode. Today, we'll show you multi-table work. It saves your business delivery time. Also, spindle life extends and many advantages. Let's see practically, what is it? And next, how to do multi-table work. Suppose you ran a big, lengthy design. Now you have another emergency to finish relatively small design. Don't worry about it. You can simply run beside that workpiece without changing the origin. This is an example of multi-table work. Another example is if you want to design in a dip stripping door, you have to make design for all unique sizes. And each design requires rough surface and finishing cutter. So you have to change cutter 4 times for this door. But if you use multi-table work, 2 times changing is enough. Haha. Look, dear viewers, more examples here. Dear viewers, please give extra attention now. Set first workpiece origin. Click on Machine menu, then Coordinate Backup. Then save the current origin point. Now move to second workpiece and set origin. Then save the current origin point in second line. Now, time to design. When you want to design in first workpiece, do restore the first one. Now press F7. Machine head will come to first origin. And for second workpiece, restore second one. Now press F7. Machine head will come to second origin. If you want to replace old save data, origin, simply set the origin and save and overwrite the old data. Thanks for watching.